this off of. Hey guys, what is up? Just coming back again with another trade review. Today is August 10th, 2023, and I had just one trade today. It was on Lee. This was on the gappers list. This is, again, something new for me. Typically, I don't trade gappers, but utilizing these ranges paired with larger time frame, as well as utilizing the tape, book map, order flow, everything seems to continually work for me. Everything's flowing, so I'm just going to stick with it. Win rate is up, and like I said in previous videos, it's just another strategy that I've added to my playbook. But this morning, like I said, Lee gapped up. It did form a tight range on the 60-minute, and I did enter on the first minute. Stop was a little wide, but looking at the order book, you could see the asks were just stacking up. You can clearly see the imbalance on the book, as well as the tape. It did come all the way back within a penny of stopping me out, and luckily it didn't take me out. 44.50, although there were some big asks at 44.70, 44.80. I was going to try and hold on to a small portion of the shares just to kind of see if I can ride it out, but as it popped through, it was very whippy. These stocks, they still do make me nervous in the morning, trading them with that quick movement. The spread was relatively good, 4 or 5 cents, and it was just a real quick trade within the first couple minutes. As it pulled back to the top of the range that it formed on the 1 minute, I re-entered and partialed all the way out. You could see the volume dropping here on the 1 minute, as well as the volume starting to dry up, and it was struggling right at 44.39. It did slightly break above it, but it couldn't hold, and then eventually it did sell off. I was very hesitant to get back into this trade. You can see again here, it formed a small little range on the 1 minute, and I was prepared after this pullback on the 9 to jump back in, because I'm glued to my screen. I have my eyes on the tape, eyes on the level 2, and I was just waiting to see some large market order come in to give it that push that it needed to break this level. It didn't happen, and that's it. That's my only trade for the day. I did have a few others on my watch list. I had MU, Apple, BAC, Beyond, and APA, and these levels that I'm marking in the PM have been working phenomenal. I will utilize FinViz as well. I have a paid FinViz account, and I will look for, these are custom screens that I have, and if anyone has any questions or want to know what my settings are, I'd be more than happy to give them to you. But I look for breakouts, breakdowns. I have an RSI scanner, and sorting this by the daily, you can quickly go through these to kind of see what's extended, what that daily candle looks like, and then if I like what it looks like on FinViz, I'll carry it over to TradingView, and then I'll just break it down from the weekly, daily, 60, 30, 15, and then 1 and 2 as we approach 9:30. But yeah, that's it for the day. So it's just one trade, and take the rest of the day again just to kind of look for new potential stocks in play. I also have a Benzinga account, and I look through those on a daily just to kind of add to my list. Of course, the daily has to look good. Price action has to be there. Volume has to be there. Anything over 2 million plus, and I'm constantly just in that cycle, in that mode. But yeah, anybody has any questions, please feel free to DM me, Twitter, Instagram, or leave a comment. I'd be more than happy to answer. Hope everybody had a great trading day, and I will see you soon.